What up, Live Squad? It's your boy. I'm kicking on back again with another video, Live Squad. In this video, bro, I'm gonna show y'all how to make thumbnails on your iPhone. You see, I actually got an iPhone. See, I'm about to log into it, turn on the screen recorder, and I'm about to show y'all all the apps you need, everything you need. It's just all that you need. This is everything you need, bro. Y'all can't even see it. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay guys, so it's screen recording right now. It should be right there, but those are the apps you need. First, we're gonna want to Superimpose X, Pixar, and then Fonto. Don't mind photos and iMovie. It came with the phone. So we're going in the photos first. See, these are the 3 apps I use. These are the 3 photos I use. I spent 30 minutes trying to find the best one, and I just don't know what to do. I don't use this one because I look so stupid, but I'm gonna just go with this one because it makes more sense. So guys, right here, I'm about to mask out this photo. Guys, I might cut some of this out, but see, why did? All right, bro. Hang on, mask tool, that one. All right, so we're about to cut this one out. Okay, let's go. So I just got done cropping all of that out. I'm about to save it to photos. And now we're about to go to Fonto, guys. I'm gonna go to Fonto right now. Oh, bro. Pixar, I mean. Alright, so we're about to go to all photos. And this is just the Fortnite background I made. Then we're gonna go to, no. Then after that, we're gonna add a photo. There's our photo. Oh. I gotta erase on this. You know what? Hang on, restore. Alright, so I just fixed it, so now we're about to do this border. Okay, so I just fixed it right there. Now we're not gonna go to shadows. Stay up where. Now this is the white outline everybody uses. I'm gonna just apply to that. Then I'm gonna go to next, then save. Download photo. Alright, now it's saved. Now we're gonna go to Fonto, guys. Photo album. All photos. Hang on. Here we're gonna put how to. Hang on, guys. How to make thumbnails. We're gonna go to size it. Styled, and then we're gonna create the stroke. No, cancel. To make thumbnails. Then we're gonna bro, I'm already talking too much, guys. I really don't like talking while making a tutorial. No, not fonts, styles. on iPhone. iPhone. I'm gonna make this one just a little bit smaller. Okay, let's go. So my camera's actually died right there. I'm about to screen for 3, 2, 1, go. And I'm about to show y'all how to add these emojis. So we gotta go back to Fonto. Then we're gonna go to where is it? I feel like I don't got that much time left. Where are they? Stickers. We're gonna go to stickers. iPhone emoji. Bro. Where? I'm just I'm gonna put phone emoji. I don't know if they got it or not. Here it is. Then we're just gonna tilt it there. And we're gonna click apply. Stickers. Put another one right there. And anyway, that is it for this video. Let's go. Make sure y'all like and subscribe if this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form. Make sure y'all subscribe. Get me up to 1,000 subs by the end of the summer. Let's squad.